It's me, I'm Pauline Leonard. Hi guys, me, I'm Pauline Leonard. And here naman natin wala sa banis bago ba. So ayun, meron lang din TikTok. Meron lang TikTok. Hindi ako. Paborito ko yung talakatok. Gusto ko talakatok ulit. Pero pamadala ka ako papinibento. Pero kumainip na ako ngayon. Kumainip ako kasi uwi lang namin sa beach. Why? So, ayun. Hindi naman ako nag-tripod. Nanonood ako ng Panarpada. Sabi ko, bakit nag-vlog kaya ako na namanap ko sa Panarpada? Para makita niyo to. At simulan na natin itong video na ito. Kukain muna natin si Mama ng tawayan. Subscribe, like, subscribe to give you my updated ka. Whenever you video. So, ayun. Kukuha ko sa naman ang tuwalya. Kasi, maliligo ata siya. Kasi, hindi ko rin alam kung sino na bibigay ng mga, mga lamukart, mga pini, mga lakman. Bigay nyo na lang sa akin. Bigay nyo na lang sa akin kasi punta na ako ng lomo cards. Kahit anong lomo cards, A-hyphen BTS tapos pwede tapos Blackpink. Yun. Yun ang mga alam ko. Pero kung mga kilala ko lang sila, yung PE, pati yung Blackpink. Kulit ako guys. Hinalaan ko na si Mamiss ko ng tuwalya. Kasi malulog po siya. Ayun, nanonood ako. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ko. Ano to? YouTube channel. Yan. And guys, nakikita nyo, ayan no. Yan yung video, yan yung ko. Yan. Hello! Thank you for na ako guys. Pagpunan nyo lang yung pag-subscribe sa akin. Ay, pati rin sa kuya ko. Ayan no. Yeah. Yan, subscribe nyo rin siya. Ayan. Yan, manonood rin ako ng Sir Casey. Pato Pic Challenge. Ay, ayun o. So, ayun. Nangulit tayo ng hamok kasi dalawa-dalawa yun sa makapat. Pero sa kape, isa lang. nanonood ako. Ayan. Sorry kung makaharap dito ko sa magpapag-show ko kaya magpapalapas wala. Yun, nanonood ako. Ayun, nanonood talaga ako ng kanyan kasi kapag wala akong nakawa, nanonood talaga ako ng mga nag-edit. Ayan. So, libat natin. Stalker Stream. 2 days ako lang.
Is the world's shortest woman.
Hi, my name is Luciani. Hello!
She's only 2 feet tall, and even a small task can be a huge undertaking for her. We invited her here today to learn about the struggle she faces on a daily basis in a world where nearly everything is designed for people 2 to 3 times her size. So she's finally here, and I'm about to go out and meet her for the first time.
Si Allen at Alex. Yan.
Exactly what life is like for the world's shortest woman.
Si Allen and Alex.
She's so much smaller than everything. She's a 7-year-old, but she is actually 30 years old. She's never seen a girl half this size due to a rare genetic disorder. Even walking is difficult for her because of bone development issues.
So, tignan nyo lang ako kung paano ako manood. Makalito talaga ako malulas na.
But we eventually made it to the other side of the road. Truly understand Jesse's daily struggles, we wanted to see firsthand the unique way she tackles regular daily tasks. Starting with her morning routine. So I want to know how different your morning routine is. Second, I have a question for you. How's the weather like down there? Now it's time to find out exactly how different Josie's morning routine is compared to the average person. And we noticed right away that it was a challenge for her to get herself up the stairs, so I carried her all the way to the bathroom. But the mirror was too high, so I also lifted her up to the sink where she starts her morning routine by brushing her teeth. So
Diba?
after you brush
So,
your teeth,
ito,
you shower.
pupunta nga kami pitch tate. Ay, kahapon.
So she went in the shower, but she wasn't able to reach the knobs to start the water, so I had a better idea. Swimming pool. Are you also the lightest woman?
So, ayun. Gusto natin ito pakatakalin kasi 021 na number. Tapos, ayun, subscribe to the video. Para pwede kami na yung